If you're wondering how to download a VPN on your Meta Quest 2, you're not alone. While the headset doesn't support direct installation of VPN apps like NordVPN from the Meta Quest store or other sources, there are still reliable ways to protect your online activity and access region-locked content. In this guide, we'll walk you through effective workarounds that let you use VPN with your Meta Quest 2. Whether you're aiming to boost privacy, bypass restrictions, or enhance streaming, these methods will help you get set up without needing to install anything directly on the headset. Also, for those interested in trying out NordVPN, there's a link in the description offering a great deal. Let's get started. The first method is to set up the VPN on your home router. While the Meta Quest 2 doesn't support VPN apps directly, you can still route its internet traffic through a VPN-enabled router. This works like using a VPN app and also covers other devices on the same network. Just keep in mind that not all routers support VPNs, and some VPN providers don't offer router setup guides, so you'll need to check compatibility first. Once the VPN is running on your router, simply connect your Meta Quest 2 to that Wi-Fi network. That's it. The main drawback is that switching VPN servers isn't quick, and all devices on the network are affected. It's a solid option for the Quest 2, though not ideal for every situation. Moving on to the next option, sharing a VPN connection from your Windows device. This method requires a Windows computer with NordVPN already installed and connected. Unfortunately, this won't work for Mac users as macOS doesn't provide the necessary sharing options. The advantage of this method is clear. It's relatively easy to set up and very simple to manage, especially when changing VPN servers or making adjustments. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the steps using NordVPN. If you'd like to try NordVPN yourself, check the link in the description for a great price. Start by opening the network and internet settings on your Windows computer. From there, go to Mobile Hotspot and enable it by toggling the switch at the top. Then click on Edit to name your hotspot and set a strong password. For example, name it NordVPN to keep things organized. Be sure your password includes a mix of numbers, letters, and symbols for security. After naming and securing your hotspot, click Save. Next, go to Control Panel and tap on Network and Internet and select Network and Sharing Center. On the left, click on Change Adapter Setting. A list of all network adapters will appear. Find the mobile hotspot adapter. It should be labeled something like Microsoft Wi-Fi Direct Virtual Adapter. Keep this in mind for a later step. And now locate the NordVPN adapter in the list. It may say something like NordVPN Tap Adapter. Right-click it. Go to Properties and open the Sharing tab. Check the box that allows other network users to connect through this computer's internet connection. In the drop-down menu under Home Networking Connection, select the mobile hotspot you created earlier. Then click OK. Next, open the NordVPN app and connect to a server. Make sure you're using the OpenVPN protocol, which can be selected in the app's protocol settings. Once you're connected to your chosen VPN server, your hotspot will route traffic through that VPN location. Finally, on your Meta Quest 2, go to the network settings and connect to the hotspot you just created. That's it. Your Meta Quest 2 is now using a VPN connection via your Windows device. With this setup, your Meta Quest 2 shares the same internet connection and IP address as your computer, which is already protected by the VPN. All of your device's traffic will be encrypted and routed through NordVPN servers. Don't forget to check out the NordVPN link in the description to get it at a great price.